basic that why the Abdul Hamid II is so powerful in the Middle East. We want our power to be in that level, so they just put him down and stand the republic. That's the reason. So that's my point of view. Yeah. The other reason I make this video is that I'm kind of like enjoying the beautiful weather, the weather of winter. I think it's not like Game of Thrones, like winter is coming. It's like winter is actually come. And the best part in Turkey that for foreigners, the local people try to rob you, not mean by uh, robbing your money, by giving you extra charge. Uh, it just happened to me. I went to the store and asked for a package refilled. I think it has 6 GB net, 1000 SMS, and say about that, 1000 minutes on all lines, like everywhere you can call. So I went and recharged. Last time I recharged on Ali, mean 50 lira. Now it's 54. Ali could lira, like 54 lira. I said, what? Why are you charging me like 4 lira more? No, it's our package. Oh my God! I said, what the hell is happening? I think here in Turkey, that when you don't understand Turkey, when they charge you, when you speak English, they say you are a very rich person. Not everyone is a rich person actually. I'm not a rich actually. I am just uh, a regular guy, depend on his father for like savings and all that. I'm doing here master program and on a scholarship also, and because in my country there is no future for mechanical engineers, so they send me to here for study purpose only. So I'm when I saw the prices like increasing, like when I come here it was like 850 lira, when I come to 821, sorry, 8.21, then increased to 9.5 lira, like $100 is equal to 950 lira. So that's good stuff. But at some point, for the foreigners also, but at some point they also increase the price. Like last time I saw the price of headphone in Turkey, like Xiaomi copied P34, I think, Chinese, I think it's Chinese. So it costs around 30 lira, and now I love, now I check after a month is 65 lira, 65-80 lira. So I thought, why the price has changed a lot. Like we barely spent around 50-20 lira on these small items, but due to some understandings, I don't know why they just charge too much. But for whoever is watching my video, who are coming to Turkey, try not to buy SIM from the like airport. I buy the SIM from the airport because it was an emergency, and I didn't know anyone. And at some point, it was a big mistake because I buy the SIM at 320 lira, but right now it's cost me around 170, 200 lira, is like that in local market. But they also like increase price also for foreigners also. So that was my big mistake. And I also come from the foreigner like SIM, like foreigner SIM, Jazz SIM. I have a Jazz SIM. In Pakistan, we use Jazz, Taynor, Zong, Warit. We use this kind of SIMs. So I did come with that package, 1000 package, but afterwards, I don't know what happened. The sim don't start working and everything get boom like that. So it's very difficult for me. So yeah, it's like that. So now I'm thinking that what should I do next? So back to the topic. The topic was about my mm, they rob you uh, from the point of like overcharging. So be aware of their overcharging. I told him that the package is cost around 44 lira from digital. Digital app is their Tuxel app. So I told him that this app. He said no. The package in the digital app is for digital. Like you can charge from the credit card. So I thought, okay, but my credit card doesn't work here in Turkey. In some cases, I picked some money from ATM, but not for buying all that stuff. I don't know why. So I told him, so he take the advantage of my innocent and he charged 54 lira. I tried to like tell him about that. No, this is wrong. So they say no authority or no one uh, uh, care about that because you're a foreigner, and like I'm charging 10 lira, other which are 20 lira, 30 lira more from you, so that's not a big deal. And I go, okay, no problem. So last time I also routed on Uber. Last time I asked the Uber driver like from Mehmet Beg to Stoch market area, commercial area. So he being about me from highway. So it actually cost about 14 lira from the Uber point of view. But his point of view 30 lira. He cost me around 30 lira to just to come and just to cross the bridge. This is bullshit is happening in Turkey right now. That's a bullshit, okay? And I don't know. Like I do want like assemble card, like assemble card, but is I don't know what happened with the assemble card because they say you have to go to office to get an assemble card because I don't know any Turkish language. The barrier is very hard, language barrier. Some know English, but they don't understand what I'm trying to say to them because they say you are speaking like UK British accent, and we don't understand what you are trying to say to us. So it's a hard for the UK people. But I'm not from UK accent. I'm from Pakistan, and they say what? No, you're from Pakistan. Yeah, you're from Hindustan. You look like. So no, please don't say that I'm from Hindustan. Okay, so I'm from Pakistan. Which Pakistan actually? Which, they asked. I said, is the country Pakistan? Oh, never heard of it. Oh my God, what the hell is happening here, man? And we taught in our in our textbook that Turkish people love Pakistani people, and they love to date Pakistani people. Now when I come here, and look what happened. They don't know the damn Pakistan is. For God's sake, read the history. We were the one who stood up for you guys during the Khalifa movement, during the war of independence, during the war with Greece in 1974. We stood up with you guys, and you didn't know about us. That something is insane, insane. I tell you about it. It's very insane. So so at that point, I got this heart. I thought, okay, no problem. Some other time we talk about that history. So right now, मैं कहाँ से कहाँ ले गया मैंने शुरू की बात दुकान के ऊपर ख़त्म की दुकान पे ख़त्म तो हुई नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ मैं ले गया सॉरी अबाउट दैट एक तो हमारी आदतें होती हैं ना यानी कि ब्लॉग हम बनाते हैं तो हम कहाँ से कहाँ हम हिस्ट्री और चीज़ें मिक्स करके डाल देते हैं ये सारा हमारा साथ ना पाकिस्तानी सा मसला है ओके फिर मैंने क्या किया कि फिर मैंने चलो छोड़ देते हैं यार इन्होंने इनकी भी तो कमाई करनी है अब इनके बेचारों की यानी कि महंगाई बढ़ गई है हमारे पाकिस्तानी की तरह तो नहीं है ना कि भाई चलो पाकिस्तानी बेचारे तो वो धक्के खा रहे हैं एहतजाज कर रहे हैं फिर भी उन्होंने कम नहीं करना अब जब तुम क्रिकेटर को बुला के रखोगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनाओगे किसी क्रिकेटर को तो ऐसे ही होना है मुल्क का हाल آپ کوئی ایسا پولیٹیشین تو نہیں آ سکتا نا پاکستان میں جو آپ کی مانگیں پوری کریں بالکل ہی کم کر کے. کیا یوں کا دور تو نہیں ہے نا کہ بھئی آپ کو ایک آنے کی چائے مل رہی ہے, ایک آنے کا پراٹھا مل رہا ہے, 2 آنے کا آپ کو دال مل رہی ہے اور 2 آنے کا آپ کو چاول مل رہا ہے. ایسا تو آپ کو ملک تو نہیں ملے گا نا ایسا. ہاں انڈیا میں ایسا ہوتا ہے کہ 5 روپے کا آپ کو 1 کلو لائک چاول مل جائیں, چیز مل جائیں. ان کی تو چلو انہوں نے اپنا مینٹین رکھا ہوا ہے, پھر بھی کسان احتجاج کر رہے ہیں. وہاں پر بھی حالات ایسے ہیں, ایسی بات نہیں ہے, لیکن پھر بھی یار ایسا تو نہیں کرنا چاہیے نا یار. بالکل ہی آپ لوٹو بیٹھ کر فورنرس کو کہ بھائی ڈالر ہے, ڈالر میں لے کے آ رہا ہے. اب ڈالر ہمارے ملک میں کتنا جا رہا ہے, 172 جا رہا ہے. اب ہمیں پتہ ہے کہ ہم کس طریقے سے ہم ڈالر ہمارے کٹتے ہیں. اب کون ان کو سمجھائے یار ان جھیلوں کو. چلو یار جو بھی تھا آپ کو شیئر کرنا تھا میں نے اپنی سٹوری کہ میرے ساتھ کیا ہوا تھا. اور لیکن جب بھی آپ آئیں پاکستان تو کارڈ جو سم کارڈ ہے کبھی بھی ایئرپورٹ سے نہ لیں, اور ٹیکسی والوں کو دیکھ کر آپ کریں, میٹر بھی چیک کریں. میٹر سے بھی دلہ گیری کرتے ہیں, لائک they overcharge. It's say 14 lira in meter, but they overcharge more. So I don't know why. Because of our innocent face. So it's very difficult for that. So yeah, it's very difficult for that kind of stuff. But چلیں یہاں پہ ہم بلاگ ختم کرتے ہیں. بہت لمبی باتیں ہو گئی ہیں, 12 منٹ کا بلاگ ہو گیا ہے. میری سوری اباؤٹ دیٹ, میں کہاں سے کہاں لے گیا باتوں کو. تو اگر آپ کو میں بلاگ اچھا لگے یا برا لگے پلیز کمنٹ کیجیے گا. ڈونٹ forget to comment on my blog and do share, support my channel, and inshallah I will show you more short videos of the food. Sorry, food is over because here the food is same. Like then don't eat like Pakistani food, like Indian food. Just eat simple food. So that's the food is over. Now I'm going to show you around like little bit about our university and colleges, all that information about English placement test and history. Also I'm going to start my history channel also. Not history channel but little bit talking about history also. So don't forget to subscribe, share and support my channel. And E Akshamlar and E Gajelar in advance if you're watching in night. E Gajelar if you're watching night right now. E Akshamlar and good day then.